Introducing the all-new PowerWave 300C from Lincoln Electric, the ultimate industrial all-in-one that redefines simplicity and performance. Ready to tackle applications from technical training to industrial fabrication, this compact machine delivers the industry's only true 300-amp, 100% duty cycle system with integrated high-frequency and AC/DC capabilities. Packed with all the arc performance and versatility you need, the PowerWave 300C delivers optimized stick, TIG, MIG, and Flux-Cored weld processes, including our industry-leading STT, low fume pulse, and Smart Pulse advanced weld modes. Built to redefine machine control, the PowerWave 300C's ready-to-run design features a bright, industrial, high-resolution display with straightforward digital navigation and one-button process change for ultimate simplicity. And we didn't stop there. The PowerWave 300C features the latest cutting-edge Industry 4.0 technology, providing access to real-time weld data for educators, students, and plant managers. So whether you're on the weld floor or remote, the system's powerful checkpoint production monitoring delivers full visibility to data on the true performance, quality, and cost of your welding operations. And of course, the PowerWave 300C is backed by Lincoln Electric's unwavering commitment to customer service, delivering decades of trusted global support and technical expertise you can count on.